Hi, hello everyone. This is Vinod Kumar, the co-founder and managing director of SNN Foods. Welcome to Saturday Tips by SNN Foods. Too spicy? Don't panic. I will give you a super wonderful tip for you. If your dish becomes too spicy, add little bit of curd or cream or a pinch of sugar to balance that heat. Thank you for watching. See you on next Saturday with another useful tip. Cooking is all about balance.